Hey, what's up YouTube? So I have like some pretty exciting news today. About almost a week ago, I ordered a new condenser microphone, and I just found out that it came in the mail, or it came via FedEx, but it just arrived. So I'm gonna go up there, do a quick little unboxing video, and then a little while later we'll do a full-on review of the microphone. So this is gonna be pretty exciting. The microphone I ordered, it's the Technica AT4040. I read some pretty good reviews about it. It goes for around $300. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, here we are, and there's the box down there. The box it came in is like really quite large. As you guys know, like condenser microphones or microphones in general are not that big, but let's see how big this box is. So let's see, we're at about 14 inches by probably 14 inches also. Yeah, 14 inches. And then we're like at like 7 inches tall. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright guys, so the reason that it probably came in like such a big box is because I'm assuming there's going to be like a lot of padding in here. Because microphones are like typically pretty sensitive. So I'm sure, you know, they didn't want to they did not want to damage the microphone in shipping. I ordered this from Sam Ash, and my experience with them, I had a really good experience using Sam Ash. I ordered this online, and when I called to order this mic, the guy I was speaking to on the phone, what happened is I placed it in my shopping cart on the Sam Ash website. Then I noticed that there was like sort of a discount going on, but it didn't actually apply to this microphone, but I thought it did. So anyways, I called customer support, and the guy that helped me out actually gave me like a 10% discount just because I called. So that was like super awesome. So like Sam Ash, their customer service is very good. So yeah, just as I thought, there's a whole bunch of bubble wrap in here. And this is the actual box with the mic in it. So let's go ahead and check out what's in here. Well, obviously the mic's in there, but... Okay, how do you open this? Oh, so you push it out, like... There you go. Very nice looking box. Oh, is that how it goes? Oh, okay. Ooh, okay, let's check this out. So that's what it looks like when you open the box. What do we have here? Oh, this looks like a kind of a hood thing to put over the mic when you're not using it. That's pretty cool. Let's see what's in here. Shock mount. Oh, okay, so this is the shock mount. That's cool. Okay. So the shock mount's in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. At the shock mount real quick. Awesome. Nice. You can see the elastic bands, and then, you know, the condenser will sit right in there. Yeah, there we go. Very cool. There's the attachment for the mic stand. And then I did see in there, oh yeah, here's an adapter. Mic stand adapter. It's the adapter right there. So now this part is where the actual microphone should be. Okay, you got some, before that you got some, instructions it looks like. Oh yeah, cool thing about this mic is that it has a low pass and a low cut, I should say. And I thought there was a high pass, but I might be mistaken, but All right, so now let's check out the actual mic, which should be in here. Whoa, this is a really cool case. It's almost like a leather type material. Has the Audio Technica logo right there. And a little like, it's probably a magnet or something. Oh no, it's an actual button. Okay, and then open it up. There you got some, what is this? Documentation, I don't know what that is. Oh, and there's the actual mic, nice. So let's take it out. Padded very well in here, that's really cool. And it's heavy, it's like for the size of this thing, it's pretty heavy. So yeah, there's the low cut right there. Wait, did I show you that right? Yeah, and then there's this switch. You can switch to negative dB to 0 dB. Honestly, I'm not even gonna pretend I know what that's for, but there's another switch right there. Yeah, I could probably figure that out from the instructions. But dang, this is cool. So let's set it in here. Nice, so that's how it sits right there. Very cool. Hey, what's up guys? I apologize for like how abruptly this video is ending, but I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I am going to be doing an actual demo of this microphone and comparing it to my Blue Yeti USB microphone. So go ahead and check down in the description for that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That like really helps me out a lot with the ranking of my videos. And if you've never seen any of my other videos before, feel free to check out my channel. I do cover songs, I do vlogs, and I do the occasional review from time to time. And if you like what you see there, go ahead and give me a sub. And check it out, Rico was just outside my door. I don't know how he got down here, so hey Rico, say hi to YouTube. He's a little camera shy. Nah, you're not camera shy, huh, Rico? Oh, there he goes back up.